Marco Delabrara, welcome to Classic Showcase. It's good seeing you today, my friend.
Thank you, Tom. I'm very pleased to be here with you.
You know, it's very exciting. You have this wonderful Jaguar that you've named Black Magic that you purchased, we restored. This car was an incredible restoration that we undertook here to create a show car for you.
Yes. You did a great job with the car.
You know, Marco, it's amazing because, 4 or 5 years ago when you first came to Classic Showcase, you told me about your passion with classic cars and your interest in Jaguars and your love for Jaguars and cars as a whole, and your interest in so many compelling hobbies that are just wonderful. We at Classic Showcase really enjoyed creating this car for you, and to this year I think the accomplishments are going to be rewarding.
Yes, I think after the show that we have been passing through and we are improving the full restoration you made with the car.
Marco, let me ask you, when you first came to Classic Showcase, you didn't know us, you weren't familiar totally with what we could do and how we do it. Has the team at Classic Showcase made your expectations and pleased you with this car?
Yes, completely. You have a great team working in painting, body shop, and mechanics are great. Your team is great, and look what you can do. It's a beautiful job. It's like this car is coming out of the factory or better.
Well, thank you, Marco. You're a passionate car collector. You live in Guadalajara, a beautiful area of Mexico,
right.
And you have wonderful classic cars that you drive on rallies, and you go on club rallies, and you go off for weekends with your wonderful girlfriend, Sylvia. Tell me, is this car going to be rallied or used for that purpose?
No, I think this is gonna be first. The objective is to make it the champion, U.S. champion this year. So to that, we have to win 3 first places, and that's the first objective. After that, I don't know if it's so beautiful that for rallies we can use the other 120 the
Sure.
coupe. It's different kind of car.
Right. And in your collection, what other types of cars and how many do you have?
Well, I have 8 cars for a show, and I have 16 cars.
Oh, wow.
Several of them for rallies, and I have a beautiful Jaguar, the MK1 59 for rally. You know that car? It's nice.
I drove that car in Whiskey Luca.
Yeah, you did.
That was a lot of fun. And that car you've taken on rallies to Acapulco and other areas. People always wonder, in Mexico, can you really enjoy your cars?
Yes. It's several roads that you can go. And we plan in the club every way that we can go to have a lunch or to have a breakfast or wherever. We find a nice roads to enjoy the car.
By the way, congratulations on La Jolla. 2 months ago, you won first place in the class in a very competitive event at La Jolla Concours 2017.
Yeah, and thanks to you guys, that's showing your work and showing all the craftsmanship and abilities that you have to create this beautiful car.
Marco, thank you for being here today, and good luck tomorrow.
It was a pleasure for me to be with you.